measures that we had was obviously social distancing, and in the gym we've got at the moment that was going to be quite hard, so we had to kind of put our thinking caps together and look at another area. Good thing about here at Flint, we've got plenty of space, so yeah, the Greens Bowl area came up, and it's been a godsend, to be honest. We've been able to provide 2 metre distance, or well over 2 metre distance between each machine. Well, I think for customers, they felt safe. We've been able to deliver a quality service. It's great to see customers coming back, especially over 60s. There's been so many of the members that are coming back that are vulnerable, but they've really enjoyed it. I think that everyone feels safe with all the cleaning measures we put in place, and obviously with social distancing. It's been great, and we've had nothing but good feedback. What we've learned, I think, keeping a place clean and tidy is really important, obviously, for customers to feel safe and for us to be safe.
It's just by telephone calls in the beginning, just to keep in touch with people to make sure they were all right. And then as time went on, we realised we needed to keep exercising them. So we started sending out home programmes that they could do at home, and then kept phoning them to make sure they were all right. And then we went on to do digital classes online. And then most recently, when we've been allowed out, we've started doing some walks. So got as many people out as we can, doing different walks across the county to keep people moving. The social element of it is just massive. They see each other, they've made friends, and they see each other outside of the walk times as well. It's been great for our team as well, because they've got us back together. We've been communicating digitally for a long time, and it's the benefit of us seeing each other and being with the clients and being outside is just phenomenal.
It's been a bit of a hectic year. Obviously trying to get the building reopened for the public. We were given some money from Flintshire, so we tried to focus spending the money on the aesthetics of the building. So there was a lot of redecoration works, things like that, new floorings. With the new COVID rules coming in and things, it was an opportunity to kind of, try and make the areas look more roomy, cleaner. I think that was kind of the main thing, try and make places look hygienic and clean and safe to return for the customers, really. So it was an opportunity for us to be on site and doing work ourselves, but the libraries had a lot of investment in terms of other contractors coming on site and doing jobs and things. And then obviously here at D-Side, when we were allowed back in April, so we refitted all the LED lights, obviously redecorated the whole area, done things like that. So although the building was shut here, we did kind of spend a lot of time and effort here.
The Community Calls was set up in July 2020, and the scheme is a verbal conversation link with customers who register and just want that conversation. So we provide a weekly or fortnightly call to the customer. We have a chat and we talk about anything that they want to talk about. We talk about books, or we talk about their everyday life. All the people that joined us in July 2020 are still with us and receiving calls, and it's just been great for their own mental health and well-being. And everybody who's fed back has said that just receiving that call helps them get through the week. The home library service has seen a massive increase in demand from referrals from health authorities. We've had referrals from families and relatives for people who have been isolated and vulnerable and have been unable to get out, really. So they've had their library books delivered to the houses. The feedback we've had from them is great, because they've said it's worth the weight in gold, and staff have provided rhyme time sessions online, babies and books. We've had Makaton storytelling, and we've also had Ffrindiau Darllen Cymraeg sessions and Reading Well sessions, and they've been greatly received.
We set up an online class programme. I think roughly off the top of my head we had between 15 to 18 online classes running per week, and we offered them for free to all the customers as well. We had so many emails and so much feedback kind of stating how much that the online class had helped a lot of people throughout that time. So for us to provide that service and for it to have an impact on the customers' lives in that way through that period of time was, it was great for us. When people were able to come back face to face, I think they missed that social aspect. So, you know, just seeing the customers in, talking amongst each other and engaging face to face was really important. One of the online classes that we set up through lockdown was the Schools HIIT workout. So we had between 150 and 250 pupils per week joining in. One of the schools, ULO Green, they offered us the opportunity to come in on site and take part in their school sports day. You know, and we did a warm up for 60 plus children on the separate days. So it was just, you know, to get the children actively engaged face to face and not just over Zoom. It was great to see.
We are so overwhelmed in the gym and the spa with the support and the response from everyone. They've come in, they've had a look around, they've been amazed by everything. I think that everybody's really understanding and what we've been through and how we've got here, and it's just been amazing. We can't ask for anything more. In the spa, we've redecorated all the rooms so it looks a lot more kind of calm and relaxing when you walk in. We've got a new wall divide in the spa where it's a bit more privacy for people having their lunch in their gowns and things. In the gym we've had quite a lot done, to be fair, so it's a different look as soon as you walk in. We've got the new functional training room that's replaced the toner suite. We've got new kit here in the strength room, new kit which is the hub area on the main gym floor, so we're hoping all this will attract a lot of new customers as well as old. I think we have all underestimated how much difference your day-to-day work colleagues and day-to-day people that you see every day makes a difference to you in your life, and it's not just a social aspect, it's that kind of the emotional support you get from them as well as professionally. So it's been amazing. I think it's done everyone so much good to be back here, to be working, to be back on the shop floor. It's been great.